Why leave your house when you can earn thousands while sitting in your pajamas? That's right, I'm talking about the ultimate dream, getting paid while working from home. I have found 17 companies that are always hiring remote workers and offering some sweet paychecks. All you need is a laptop, a phone, and a solid internet connection. If you're ready to apply, let me share my list of 17 companies with you. Number 17 on our list is Cognizant. Cognizant is one of the world's leading professional services companies, which basically means they are experts at helping businesses run smoothly by offering IT services and consulting. Based in the US, Cognizant is ranked 193 on the Fortune 500, and it is consistently listed among the most admired companies globally. So yeah, it is pretty big deal. What makes it even better, they offer a bunch of remote jobs from customer service representative roles to workday recruiting consultants or workday testing managers. The pay is around $17.54 per hour, which is not bad at all, right? Plus, 47% employees say that they are paid fairly, which is always a good sign. And trust me, there are plenty more options. So make sure to check them out. Number 16 on this list is World Travel Holdings. The next one on our list is World Travel Holdings. This company owns more than 18 brands like Cruises Only, Cruise 411, Vacation Outlet, and many more. They specialize in making dream vacations a reality, whether it is booking cruises, villas, or luxury getaways. They do all that. Here's the good news for you, they are hiring people for remote jobs. The company needs people for roles like travel sales agent, customer care representative, villa travel agent, and villa concierge who can work remotely. They pay around $15 an hour, which is not too bad for a remote gig. Plus, the interview process is quick. It usually takes about a week. So, if you love travel and want to help others plan their dream trips, this could be a great fit. What's your dream vacation spot? Imagine yourself planning trips there for others. Number 15 is ALORICA. Next, we have ALORICA. This company is a global leader in customer service solutions with operation in nearly 75 locations worldwide. But the best part is that they have a huge work from home division called ALORICA at Home with over 5,000 remote agents. That means you can be one of them without ever stepping out of your house. They offer a wide range of remote positions, including roles in operations, IT, project management, customer service, and data entry. Even if you are just starting out, there is something for you. The pay is decent too. It ranges from $15 to $16 per hour. Plus, with Alorica's strong reputation and global presence, you will be working for a company that knows how to take care of their employees. Number 14 on our list is Go Transcript. Go Transcript is more of an online platform that offers remote jobs all year round. It is a transcription and translation company that specializes in turning audio and video files into text for clients in various industries, including media, education, and law. So, if you have strong listening skills and can type quickly, this could be a fantastic remote job opportunity for you. Go Transcript offers flexible hours, so it allows you to work whenever it suits your schedule. How does setting your own hours sound? Great, right? The pay is based on audio minutes, typically ranging from 60 cents to 90 cents per minute. While it may seem modest, if you are efficient, it can add up fast. The application process is simple as well. Just pass transcription tests to prove your skills, and you'll be earning money from your home in no time. Number 13 is ACTIVUS Connect. ACTIVUS Connect is a customer service outsourcing company that prides itself on delivering top-notch customer service experience. Operating globally, they stand out for their people first culture, which focuses on the well being and the professional growth of their remote employees. The good news is that Activist Connect hires remote agents all the time for customer service roles. You can get into the healthcare, finance, and tech sectors, whichever seem most suitable to you. The company offers a competitive pay rate starting at around $17 per hour and provides comprehensive training, so you don't even need any prior customer service experience. Number 12 on our list is CVS. The next one that we have on our list is CVS. It is a well known name in the medical and healthcare field, but did you know you can work for them remotely too? That's right. CVS offers a range of work from home positions, including roles like data product manager, supply chain remote jobs, utilization management, nurse consultant, and case manager for LPNs and LVNs. If you are into healthcare or data, there's something here for you. They even have positions like eligibility consultant if you are looking for something different. The pay is impressive too. You can earn from $17 to $56 and 13 cents per hour depending on the role. If you could choose which healthcare role would suit you best, find the role here with an open vacancy and apply ASAP. If you could choose which healthcare role would suit you best, find the role here with an open vacancy and apply ASAP. But if you are not into medical field, I have other credible options for you. Number 11 is ALIGHT. ALIGHT is a provider of human capital and business solutions that help companies manage their workforce more effectively. They offer several remote job opportunities, including positions like Workday Certified Financial Senior Consultant, Payroll, and HCM Solution Architect. And if you are bilingual, they have roles like Disability Case Manager. You can even work as an online business assistant if that's more your style. What's even better is that you can earn up to $300 in a single day. This makes Alight the best option until now if you are looking for a high paying remote job with room for growth. Number 10 on our list is Conduent. Conduent is another big name in business process services that helps industries like healthcare, transportation, and finance run smoothly. They have operations in over 40 countries and they are always on the lookout for remote talent to add to their team. The company offers a range of work from home jobs, from customer service representatives to technical support specialists and data entry operators. And you can join at any experience level you want. The pay is solid too. You can earn around $16 per hour, but yes, it also depends on the role. So make sure to check that out. Number 9 on our list is EVERISE. EVERISE is another company that outsources its customer care service. It partners with top global brands to deliver outstanding customer experience, all while embracing the latest tech trends. And the best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your home. Everrise offers many different kinds of remote roles, like as expected, customer service representative, then technical support agent, and healthcare support specialists. Or you can also become a home insurance agent for them and work from home. Whatever department you join, they would be happy to pay you $15 to $17 or more. Just show them your skills and they will be happy to hire you. Number 8 on our list is U-Haul. Did you know that U-Haul has been a go-to for DIY movers since 1945. This iconic company does not just offer moving trucks and storage, they also have some fantastic work from home opportunities. For $16 an hour, you could become an e-live verification phone agent where you can help customers verify their rental details from the comfort of your home. And if you speak Spanish, U-Haul also has full-time position for Spanish bilingual sales agents. Not just that, they are also hiring remote roadside assistant agents. Or if you know Java, you can become their Java developer. So no excuses anymore. Start applying today. Number seven is CIGNA. Next, we have CIGNA. CIGNA is one of the world's leading health insurance companies, which offers remote jobs throughout the year. Their salary package is better than most of the previous ones I have shared with you. CIGNA pays between $18 to $28 per hour to its remote workers. They have a variety of roles available, like CIGNA Medicare, clinical operations, intake care senior representative. Where would you be at the heart of their operations? If you know a thing or two about data and analytics, the retention position might catch your eye. They are also looking for intake care senior representative and case management analyst. So, if you have any experience in these fields, this could be your chance to work for a top tier healthcare company from the comfort of your home. Would you consider switching to a remote job different from your field of expertise if the pay was right? If so, have a look at this company. Number six is TTECH. Another great company that offers customer service remote jobs is TTECH. A great thing about this company is that a lot of people have mentioned that the interview process here is pretty swift. It took them about a week after applying to get an interview. Many candidates even report getting hired on the same day as their interview, which is a major plus if you're looking to start quickly. T-Tech offers jobs in many kinds of roles like customer service representative and technical support with pay ranging from $12 to $20 per hour. So if you are after a remote job that's quick to get into, T-Tech might just be what you're looking for. Number five is FoundEver. FoundEver is a company just as good as T-Tech. It is a customer experience management company that pays around $13 per hour to its remote workers. The pay rate can go up to $18 per hour depending on your position. It offers all the same roles as T-Tech. So if you think you can handle the responsibilities, make sure to apply quickly before the favorite position gets filled up. Number four on our list is Teleperformance. Teleperformance is a great name in the customer service industry. This company also hires globally, so you can work from anywhere you are. Most of the remote positions are in customer service and they offer variety of roles like help desk support and healthcare customer service. The pay is great too. It starts from $13 per hour and goes up to $19 per hour. Plus, they offer many kinds of benefits like health insurance, vacation, TO, etc. In short, you will love working for them. Number three on our list is State Farm. State Farm is a great insurance company, but they are also a hit on the Fortune 500. Not just that, they have won a Glassdoor Employees' Choice Best Place to Work award. Is State Farm's solid reputation enough to make you apply? Well, in my opinion, all these things make it a great option. So if you're looking for a work from home gig, make sure to apply here. You could be their staff assistant, business line consultant, or even an assistant office manager. Your salary will start at $18 per hour and will increase over time. while you're applying to one insurance company, make sure to try your luck in this other incredible place. Number two on our list is Progressive. Progressive is also an insurance company that is known for offering car, home, and commercial insurance. They are always on the lookout for fresh faces who can work remotely for them. As for now, they are hiring for roles like central claims rep, data analyst, insurance agent, and financial systems analyst. The pay rates are between $23 to $24 per hour, but they will change based on your role and experience level. What's more, what's more is that the work schedule is flexible. You will have to work from Monday to Friday and will then have the option to work weekends if that suits your lifestyle better. But if you don't want to work on weekends, the company won't have any issue with that either. Number one on our list is Concentrix. And finally, we have Concentrix. Concentrix belongs to the business service sector where it specializes in customer engagement and business performance enhancement. They are currently looking for top talent for positions like senior sales engineer and director of sales account management who can focus on cloud contact center solutions. The starting pay that they are offering is $20 per hour, and I think you should not give it a second thought and apply here today because they are known for their quick response times. Apply today, and you might just hear back immediately, maybe even score an interview and land a job on the spot. So if you're feeling lucky, why not give it a shot? Concentrix could be your chance to starting a thriving career. So that's all for today, guys. Now that you have my list, start applying ASAP. And don't forget to come back and tell me which company hired you first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.